Pre-project charter activities refer to the tasks and activities that are carried out before the development of a project charter. The project charter is a document that outlines the key elements of a project, including the project's objectives, scope, stakeholders, resources, and timeline. Pre-project charter activities are typically focused on gathering information and assessing the feasibility of a project. These activities may include identifying the project sponsors, stakeholders, which involves identifying the individuals or groups who will be affected by the project and determining their roles and responsibilities in the project. Second activity would be to define the project objectives. This involves developing a clear and concise statement what the project is trying to achieve. Another activity would be assessing the feasibility of a project. This involves evaluating whether the project is viable in terms of its technical, financial, and organizational feasibility. Identifying potential risks and issues would involve identifying potential challenges or issues that may arise during the project and developing strategies to mitigate them. Determining the project scope would be another activity which involves defining the boundaries of the project and determining what is and what is not included in the scope. Estimating project costs and timeline would involve developing a rough estimates of the resources, for example, budget and personnel and time required to complete the project. Pre-project charter activities are important because they help ensure that the project charter is well informed and that the project has a strong foundation for success. A valuable input provided through performing the pre-project charter activities is included in what we refer to as a business case.